Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. So we have y squared, sy, s squared. They are degree number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1 ds over ds multiplied by v. So this one we simplify, and that is about number 1, and we can put like this. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. Now we go back in here. So y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Now we need to simplify s squared for the both sides, and now we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by 3v minus number 6. So that should be like this. Next, I will put about v go to the right. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, we have 3v squared minus 6v. So negative will change the sign of this one, and that should be like this. So 6v, we have 12v. This one we have negative 4v squared. Now I will put this one go to the left. ds and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to consider on this one. So we can do about factorization by v. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over v, b over 12 minus 4v. So we can do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 12 minus 4v. So capital 8 multiplied by 12 minus 4v. About this one, it is missing about v. So we have b multiplied by v. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of v. So we have negative number 4 with 8 and b. The next one we have 12, 8. Now we need to compare coefficients on numerator. So we have 3v, that means negative 4h plus b equals to number 3, and 12h equals to negative number 6. And now we can create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of 8 and b. 8 equals to negative 1 over 2, b equals to number 1. Now we put a and b go back in here. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 2, b equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of s about v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.